Hi folks, this is the Haydon and Owen nerf show. Owen's not here, so I guess I'm just doing it today. No, I'm doing my nerf channel. Just going up into my attic where I always do my nerf films. What? Oh yeah, I've just got YouTube on watching nerf. This is, I don't know how many I've done. I'm just trying to say that my next video is going to be like gangster type thing, so like a gangster, and I don't know, like say, you know, gangsters where there's things like that. One of us will have one like that, and one of us will just be like just a normal, like another gangster that's going to kill him. So, but he won't have one of those, so he's like kind of good gangster type. So I hope you enjoy the next video, and hopefully Owen will be here. And bye, see ya.